Okay.
There are some more to come.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Okay.
My
Right.
designation is regional sales manager.
Regional sales manager.
Yeah.
So which
Yeah.
region?
I am covering central and upcountry.
Central UV and upcountry. Okay. Central upcountry kila can it's anyway central, right? You mean to say, oh, UV sabaraga UV
No, no.
upcountry? How do you demarcate the upcountry? Central anyway considered as upcountry, right?
Central comes from Dambulla. It has demarcated
Central
from
comes
Dambulla.
from part of
Dambulla.
North Central.
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
okay.
Dambulla, Mahatale. And upcountry means Badula Bandaravela.
Sabaragamu area. So
Yeah.
that
And Uva means Monaragala.
Monragala side. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good say.
And I am from Akripattu. And I have been working in this company for last 26 years.
Wow, that's super, right? Super. Which means you are master in regional selling and the sales manager. That is really good. That is really good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Superb. Right. So we'll see now Siraj. We can't hear you. Don't say you also from Dali Butler.
Yeah, he's from Dali Butler.
Hello,
That's
good
a
morning.
good one. Very good morning. Yes, go ahead.
I am Siraj Muhammad and I am working for Dali Butler. And I am working as a sales manager and in infant formula division.
Okay.
So I'm handling cow and gate.
Okay.
So almost now I'm working for Dali Butler last 22 years.
Wow.
So I joined as a medical executive and now I'm working as a sales manager.
Superb. All the best. Superb. We need this this experience. We need this in audience because then we can talk practically. So this is what we really need in this. Superb. So whatever the things we learn, we can connect with the practical experience. Nah? So
Sure.
that is the beauty. Superb. Now we have Soya Nail. I'm really sorry if I don't pronounce it properly. Okay. Soya Nash, are you there? Soyan.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, Soyanash, go ahead.
I'm 15 years old, a former member of the Children's Parliament, and certified networker from Cisco, and have an entrepreneurship and cybersecurity certified from Cisco, and doing a diploma in IDM.
Diploma in?
IDM Colombo campus.
Okay, IDM Colombo. Okay. Very good. Superb. You're from which area, which part of the country you're? Colombo?
I'm from Dehiwala, Colombo.
You're from Dehiwala, Colombo. Super. Okay. How do you pronounce your name? Soyanesh or Soyanash?
Soyanash.
Soyanash, nah? Okay. I'm really sorry if I don't pronounce it properly. Right. Then who was remaining? Okay, Gihani. Gihani, are you there?
Yes, sir. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yes, Gihani, you can introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Gihani, and I'm an undergraduate at University of Peradeniya. And during these days, I'm following my BBA degree program in marketing area.
Okay, super. University of Peradeniya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you based in your hometown is in Kandy?
No, sir. My hometown is Ratnapura.
Your hometown Ratnapura?
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Right. So did we miss anyone?
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Okay. Mekala Nishadi. Yes, Mekala. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mekala Nishadi. I'm from Teldenia. Now I'm 22 years old. Currently, I'm an undergraduate following BBA degree program, specializing in marketing in University of Peradeniya.
You also from Uni Peradeniya. So which year?
Sorry, sir.
Which year? First year, second year, third year, which year?
Second year, sir.
You're in second year. Okay, good. Right. Thank you very much, Mekhala. You also, your hometown, you said Teldenia, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say, did we miss anyone? For time being, no. Right. Okay. Let me give you a small brief on what and what area y'all will be discussing. I will just, before I take y'all through the LMS one, I will just show you the area where we have to cover, right? Using my student login in LMS. Give me 1 minute. Right. So today you all will get your LMS login and it will be like this, right? So we will do that part also today itself. Then you will be comfortable with that. So once you get, you all do the diploma in strategic sales management one. Your LMS home is like this. This is the right. So you all doing diploma in strategic sales management. When you click there, you go to the entire syllabus platform, right? So this is the complete area we will be covering in this 6 months period, right? So this entire program, we have 9 modules, okay? This 100+ hours covers with 9 modules, right? Strategic sales management and how it is working along with the marketing, then the different customer market and the contact skills, bit of a soft skills area also will be touching here. Then you will get to know about how the organization sales management function and the sales force organization structure, strategy development based on the, the regions, ducks and all these approaches, hybrid mechanism, those areas under module 3. Then under module 4, we'll be looking at the market engagement, where you talk further into the marketing side and how certain marketing strategies supporting for the sales function. Not certain, almost all the marketing strategies finally boils down there in the sales function, but how this marketing certain strategic area, you all should know that part we'll be looking at. Then we'll under module 5, the corporate perspectives, the top management perspectives when it comes to the the sales function, because when you look at the entire organization, sales function is there and all the other silos also there at the same time. Sales, maybe marketing different, maybe certain organizations, the brand management also different, or brand and the sales, brand and marketing comes together, sales different function, and finance, they are HR, they are production, they are logistic, they are so like that. So you have, so on top of every silo within the organization, every SBU, strategic business unit within the organization, you have something called the corporate layer of the organization. We are categorizing into 3. We'll be discussing anyway. I think methanidi under module 5 we look at how the strategic the corporate perspectives, like the mission of the organization, vision of the organization work along with the sales function. Then we'll be looking at the strategic marketing planning side, where sales function, sales planning comes as a sub-element of the marketing plan, the entire organization and the business plan. So there we talk about situational audits, how you conduct the situational audit, because the sales management pump so much of inputs on the marketing plan. Because sales is one of, if you say, if you consider the ocean as the entire marketing, the sales is basically the ship that organization take to the other end. So it gives us huge inputs to the marketing plan of the organization. So, and how the auditing component supporting you all, and the strategic marketing planning part, some of the strategic activities, strategies what we take within the organization.